What's up? It's Robbie Harris, and this is my rocker bike check. Starting from the top, I'm holding on to a set of the Stranger Klon grips. Those are mounted on a set of S&M foo bars. I'm riding the Rocker V3 top load stem and the Rocker V3 Doom frame and fork setup. I just mounted up the Rocker 48 spline cranks. I have a Shadow 28 tooth sprocket with a white chain wrapped around that. In the back, I have a Primo hub guard drive side just to keep my driver safe so I don't break teeth off or destroy any of my drivers. And I'm riding two Rocker Pro gum tires. Those are mounted on a set of the Rocker V3 rims. Usually I'm riding the CNC wheels, but right now I'm putting new tires on the CNC wheels. So if you guys want to know exactly what my current setup is, and this is what my current setup is. I'm giving you guys what you want. I have a Bone Death pivotal seat post, leopard print, connected to a McNeil pivotal seat post. Set of Rocker pedals, and I think that's just about it. Make sure to go like and subscribe to the Rocker Mini BMX YouTube. They're giving away a free bike every week. All you have to do is subscribe to their YouTube channel. Every Monday, they announce the winner. All you have to do is subscribe, like, comment, get your name out there so they do see you. It is a random draw, but the more you comment, the more you do that, the better chance. Make sure you get your mom, your dad subscribe. Everybody you can get to subscribe. The more people you get to subscribe, the better chance you have of winning. So make sure to like their Facebook, their Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram, twotone_rolla. I'll have all this information in the description below. And yeah, keep riding.